What's up YouTube, Jeff back again today, another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today, talking about a little update to the Samsung Photo Editor, which is the editor that you'll find inside the stock gallery app on your Samsung device. This update actually doesn't roll up in the Galaxy Store, so I'll show you guys where you can find it. It's a little sneaky to find. And it also comes with some updates to the object eraser, reflection eraser as well to improve some things. So we'll talk a little bit about that. Before we get started, I want to thank my son Jonathan for always giving me a dinosaur here to hang out with us. Today we have the Mosasaurus over here. And I also want to remind you guys that if you're interested in saving some money on your wireless service, you can do so by switching to my partners at Mint Mobile. Right now they have one of their best deals of the year. You get unlimited premium wireless for just $15 a month. Now Mint has a number of plans for different data needs. They have a 5 gig a month plan, a 15 gig a month plan, 20 gig a month plan, and the unlimited plan. But as you can see, for their sale right now, all the plans are $15 a month. So of course you want to go for the unlimited plan, which is 50% off the usual rate at just $15 a month. Unlimited talk and text, nationwide coverage, and mobile hotspot included on all Mint plans. It's also very simple to sign up. You get either an eSIM or a physical SIM, and they will send you out a SIM tool so you can pop out your old SIM, pop in the Mint SIM, and let the savings begin. Now, I've been using them here in Phoenix about 9 months. Really love the service. If you guys haven't tried them, it's really the best time of year to do so. Go to mylink.mintmobile.com/Springer. Sign up for any 3-month Mint Mobile plan. Get this amazing 50% off deal on the unlimited. And I'm going to send you a smartphone case of your choice, like this beautiful Kadabi Sheath in forest green for the S23 Ultra, just as a thank you for trying Mint. I'm doing that as a personal thank you. Any phone case you're interested in, as long as you go to mylink.mintmobile.com/Springer, also in the pinned comment description, sign up for a 3-month Mint Mobile plan, get in touch with me via Twitter, DM, or email, and I will send out that case as a personal thank you for giving Mint a try. A lot of you guys have done it. Really happy to get you guys onto the greener side, which is the Mint side, save some money, and get great wireless service. Appreciate Mint for being partners with the channel, and let's go ahead and get started for today. So we're talking about an update to the photo editor application, which normally if you have an update, right, you'll go to the Galaxy Store, and you can go here and manually search for it if you want, but typically you can search for the photo editor app. You just have to go in here and actually type in photo editor, and you'll find it right there. And you can find the update here, but typically it doesn't present itself there for download in the update section like a lot of the other apps like GoodLock will. The way you typically find the update, the way I do it, is go into the gallery and then pick a photo, like this one of my son, go to the edit, which is the little pencil icon, and then down here, go to this 3-dot menu and go to About Photo Editor. Now, if you do that, you'll see it says the latest version is installed, and if you do that, you can, if you have an update, it'll actually appear right here. The latest version is 3.2.23.43. Up here in the top, if you go to Info, you can also tap there and go to App Details in the Galaxy Store, and this will also show you some of the fixes. So this one mainly is bug fixes, but when you download this update, you're also going to get object eraser, reflection eraser updates as well. And that's the real selling point here, is that those things have been improved, those features. So where do you find object eraser, reflection eraser? Those are down here. For those of you guys who haven't seen them, you can see the object eraser is right here. So go ahead, object eraser, erase shadows, erase reflections. So here you can check and see, it'll see if there's any reflections, and then it'll erase them. So it'll erase the reflections in this photo, and you can kind of see what it looks like going forward and backwards, just some small ones in this case. You can also do the same thing for shadows. So both of those have been improved in my experience so far using it. They've improved them to a nice level. There's no real feature changes here, but there is one thing I want to remind you guys about. Let me discard changes. Is if you go into your gallery, let's go back into the gallery here, and let me find really quickly in my gallery the menu down here where it says settings. And then right here, if you scroll down where it says About Gallery, I said this many times, but many people still haven't seen it. If you tap on the version number a bunch of times here, eventually you will enable the Gallery Labs feature, which is at the bottom here. This is an internal labs menu, kind of like developer options in Android. A lot of people don't know about. And you'll see here, there's a lot of cool stuff in here. Album entry locks, show virtual albums, film strip in viewer, support save as PDF, which is really a big one that a lot of people ask for. App bar expanding, video preview on the picture list. In the image view, there's improved zoom performance. This is a relatively new one. Show EXIF details, Android image decoder, show cached images and details, album backup and restore. There's a lot of really cool stuff inside of the Gallery Labs that kind of goes hand in hand with Android developer mode. Some of the functions in here also get improved when you update the photo editor, which is why I mentioned this. And there's probably going to be even more things coming to Gallery Labs, and possibly even the forward-facing photo editor that we just looked at with the One UI 6.0 update, which is probably going to launch, we're guessing, in about a month. So this is recording this at the end of June. We're expecting One UI 6.0 beta at the end of July. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go grab that new photo editor update if you don't have it. Let me know if you guys have tried Gallery Labs. Which of the Gallery Labs do you have enabled? Let's discuss it in the comments. Let me know which ones are your favorite. I love Save as PDF. And of course, the other option that I mentioned down here, the Zoom option. Let me know what you guys are using. Again, if you guys want to save some money on your wireless service, my partners at Mint Mobile are a great place to go. Go to mintmobile.com/Springer. Right now, 50% off the unlimited plan, which is now just $15 a month during their sale. You can also get a free smartphone case from me if you sign up with my link for a 3-month Mint Mobile plan. It's a personal thank you for you guys trying Mint. We appreciate them for being partners with the channel. I appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.